So for this problem, to find the sum of this summation notation, now take note that the values for n from positive 2 to positive 8. So therefore, the values for n are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. So we need to substitute these values to this equation. So again, n starts from 2. So this becomes 2 times 2 minus 3. Then plus, so n now becomes 3. So 2 times 3 minus 3, then plus. So n is equal to 4. So 2 times 4 minus 3, then plus. 2 times 5 minus 3, then plus. 2 times 6 minus 3, then plus. 2 times 7 minus 3, then plus. The last term is 2 times 8 minus 3. Then to simplify, so for this term, this is 2 times 2, that's 4 minus 3. So this is positive 1. Then plus, for this term, 2 times 3, this one is 6 minus 3. So this is positive 3. Then plus, for this term, 2 times 4, that's 8 minus 3. So this is positive 5. Then plus, for this term, so this is 10 minus 3, that's 7. Then plus, for this term, this is 12 minus 3, that's 9. Then plus, for this term, this is 14 minus 3, so this one is 11. Then plus, for this term, so we have 16 minus 3, this is 13. Then we need to add all these numbers. So we have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. So the sum of this notation is equal to positive 49. Then for this given, so again, the values for n from positive 1 to positive 5. So these are the values for n. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we need to substitute the values for n to this equation. So n, since starts from 1, so this becomes 2 times 3 to the power 1 plus 1. Then plus, so n now becomes 2. So we have 2 times 3 to the power 2 plus 1. Then plus, n now becomes 3. So 2 times 3 to the power 3. Then plus, so n is equal to 4. So 2 times 3 to the power 4 minus 1. Then plus, for the last term, n equals 5. So 2 times 3 to the power 5 plus 1. Then to simplify, so this 1 plus 1, this one is 2. And 3 to the power 2, so this one is 9. And 9 times 2, so this one is 18. Then plus, so this 2 plus 1, this one is 3. And 3 to the power 3, this one is 27. Then 27 times 2, so this is 54. Then plus, this 3 plus 1, this is equal to 4. And 3 to the power 4, this one is 81. And 81 times 2, so that's 162. Then plus, so this 4 plus 1, this is 5. And 3 to the power 5, this is 243. Then 243 times 2, that's 486. Then plus, then for this 5 plus 1, that's 6. And 3 to the power 6. So 3 to the power 6, that's 729. And 729 times 2, so that's 1,458. Then we need to add these numbers. So we have 18, then plus 54, plus 162, then plus 1,486, then plus this 1,458 equals, so the sum of this notation is 2,178.